www.kahoot.it. Then have to type the game pin, just that. What happened?
Miss, I did not.
But you are not in. Hey, your name is not here. What you have to do is erase all what you have typed or logged. Retype again in the Chrome, open a new tab and type Kahoot www.kahoot.it.
So teacher found a way.
Darling, but is from last week. I was there. Akhil, I'm testing. Right, going to grade anything. Don't think too much. I'm just testing that.
I did. Definitely.
Then okay. Then no problem. Answer, where are you? Waiting. Finally, she's right. So I'm going to start right within some time. Right, will be given a time. Within that time, you have to answer the question like 20, 30 seconds. Okay, I'm going to start. Ready? All three of you? Ah. Take the answer. Time is running. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Question. Ready? Now you know what you have to do. The question is displayed on the top and 4 answers are there. You have to select the correct answer. Okay? Next. Oh. Right. Answer this. 20 seconds are given. Okay. Right, ready? Last question. Okay, right? So don't think too much. I was just all right. Okay, how was it? No, 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 no. Only fun. This is the first time. The game. There you have rewards also. Right, right. Now enough. We'll come to the lesson. We didn't play this one. This is the first time. So once we'll have it. Okay. Should I post this? Okay, so my baby, shall we start the class? I mean, shall we come to the lesson? So how was it? Do you like that? Not bad. I don't think about it. So next time I'll add much some questions right, from all the lessons covering. We are not going to do it every week. Once a month like that. We'll do it. Okay. What about Hansa and Akila and Akila? It was good. Right. Hansa? Good. Right. Okay. So we'll come to the lesson. Grade 8. Today we have finished directed numbers. Today we are going to do algebraic expressions. Okay. Uh, so can you see hear me properly?
Miss, you're stuck.
That's the problem. I just want. Now, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. I will start. Have the date. And then write the topic algebraic expression. Right. Algebraic expressions. What is algebraic? First of all, we'll learn about what is algebraic term. What is algebraic term? Algebraic, algebra. Is this algebra? Algebraic idea, because we have learned this in grade 7 also, right? Now, darling, now we'll take like this. You have some amount of money. Have some amount of money, but I don't know how much. And your father is going to give the 100 rupees. Now, how can I express that one? You have some amount of money and your father is going to give 100 rupees. So I need to find the total amount. How could I express this?
With an unknown term.
Within an unknown term, by an unknown term, the amount which you had already, the money you had already unknown, but that there is a value, right? So we represent that by an English alphabet letter, by using an English alphabet letter. That letter is we call an unknown term. Right? That letter can get invalid. So the expressions which have algebraic terms are called algebraic expressions, right? So as an example, if we take minus x plus 4. These are what? Minus x plus 4. These are algebraic expressions. The algebraic expression. And can you see this one? X plus 4. X is the unknown term or the algebraic term, right? Here this one x is the unknown term. In front of the unknown there is a value. So that we call it as coefficient. Call it as coefficient. Okay, so I quickly copy down this part. Then we'll construct algebraic expression after this. Then the numeric value of constant amount is not known. It is called unknown. Called n. Numerical value of a constant is not known. It is called an unknown term. Okay, done?
Restate.
Okay, right. Then write the subtopic, constructing algebraic expressions. Now we are going to construct algebraic expressions. Now put the, I told you, now I told for an unknown term, the algebraic term, right? So here I'm going to give problem, try to algebraic expression. The form of expressing it is called the algebraic expression. We'll have the question also. Then of a land is 4 meters more than its breadth. Write an algebraic expression. Write algebraic for the length by taking breadth as x meters. Okay? Here in the question they have said length of the land is 4 meters. Is it 4 meters the length? No. 4 meters more than its breadth. Length of the land is 4 meters more than its breadth. Write an algebraic breadth as x meters. Now have the diagram. What can you say? What is the breadth? What is the breadth?
X meters.
Breadth is x meters. X meters. What can you say about the length? What can you say about the length? Land is 4 meters more than its breadth. Now, if breadth is x, what about the length? Length is
Plus 4.
x plus 4. Right. So, we can write length of the land is x plus 4. Can have it like that, otherwise you will complicate. X plus 4. X plus 4 is the length of this land. Okay. Right. Any doubt? Can you understand? Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? I'm going to give you the question. Try to build the algebraic expression. Write an algebraic expression oh. Sorry. If a pen is ₹5 more than a pencil, write an algebraic expression for the price of a pen by taking price as ₹5. Right. Fill the expression. Can you find the algebraic expression for the price of pen? Tell me what is the answer. Okay? How much is the pen? Very simple.
5 plus y.
Very good. 5 plus y. Price of a plus 5 plus y. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Shall we move on to the next part? Have you finished?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Right. Now constructing algebraic expressions with three unknowns. Write the topic. With unknown terms. Right. So first we'll write the question and then we'll see. Write an algebraic expression for the total price of 5 books. First is 7 science books. Cost And for English books cost 3 rupees. Right. When you're finished writing, tell me the problem, then we'll see. Okay, done. Right. So see now, write an algebraic expression for the total price. Now you need to find what? You need to find the total price. Total price of 5 maths books. How many maths books? 5. One cost is how much? One book is cost A rupees. So how can I find the cost for 5 books?
8 times 5.
A times 5 or 5A. The total price I can have maths books, it's 5A plus, right, how many science books? 7B, very good. Plus, then what?
OC.
OC. So here we wrote the algebraic expression for total price 5A plus 7B plus 4C. 5 maths books, 7 science books, 4 English books. When the cost is given, A, B, C, they have given the value, you can find the total cost. Right. Second one, I'll write the question. After writing the question, write the expression. You have to write it alone. Write an algebraic expression for the total amount. This one you have to think little bit. The total amount need to pay for buying 250 grams of dal with 1 kilogram is X rupees. 2 kilogram of sugar which 1 kilogram is 5 rupees and 1 kilogram of flour which 1 kg is Z rupees. Now this one is little bit tricky. You have to think about this. Try to find the total price. Now it's up to you. You finished writing? Did you get the answer? Algebraic expression for the total price. Any suggestions? Any answers? Yes, I'm waiting. You're writing. Akil, Stella, Ahansa, Akila. What happened, Isala? Any answers?
Teacher, I'm finished. I'm gonna send the answer in the chat.
Ah, okay, send it. No problem. Answer, Akil. What is the answer? Not Akil, Akil. Right, last week answer told me it's not Akil, Akil. Okay. Very good.
I'm,
Yes, you're correct.
uh,
You're correct. And Isala, you have got stuck. Right, okay. So what about others? Akil, Akila, and Nohansa. Right. So Pute, what is here? Write an algebraic expression for the total amount need to pay for buying 250 of dal. How much of they are going to buy? 250 grams of dal. 1 kilo is how much? X rupees. 1 kilo is X rupees. So what can you say about 250 grams?
X divided by
Very good. If 1 kilo is 200 rupees, how can you find 500 grams? Divide by 2. So 100 rupees. How do you find 250 grams? To divide by 4, or you can divide 100 by 2. So you will get 50 rupees. Same way, darling. Here, total amount. Total amount. So dal. So dal, you need to pay how much? X rupees divided by 4. Because 1 kg is equal to X. But we are buying how much? 250. So it's X divided by 4 plus 2 kilogram of sugar. 1 kilogram is Y. What can you say about 2 kilogram? It's
2y.
2Y. It's 2Y plus 1 kg of flour. Right? 1 kg is already said rupees. So they are buying 1 kg plus if so the algebraic expression is x over 4 plus 2y plus is okay. Okay. Answer. Right. Shall we move on to the next part? Multiplying, multiplication of algebraic expressions.
Okay.
Right. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. We have several parts. So one by one we'll do it. Salvi, Johansa, Akil. Now I didn't hear your voice for a long time.
Okay,
Akil.
miss.
Okay. Akil and Akila. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Any doubts regarding when you're writing the expression, constructing, building the expression?
No, teacher.
Read the question properly. One by one, you can build it up, right? So then we on multiplication, right? So multiplication, you have different several parts. We'll do one by one. Multiplying an algebraic by a positive number.
Miss, will we be able to finish the lesson today?
Yes. Right. Because of the exam.
Yes, miss.
Right. Did you see I have already uploaded a small revision paper? You see that in the LMS I have uploaded it. Yesterday I uploaded it.
Didn't see, miss.
So we are going to do that tomorrow, not today. Regarding all the 5 lessons we have covered. Tomorrow we'll be doing that. Okay. Right. Multiplying an algebraic expression by a positive number. Okay. Very simple, Ane. 9 times y. Y is the algebraic term. We are going to multiply by a positive number. 9 times y is how much?
9 1.
9 y. Right. X plus y is the algebraic term. We are going to multiply it by 5. So how do you multiply? Okay. Each term. Yes. Yes, Ali.
5x plus 1.
Right.
So
5x plus y.
plus 5x 1.
So Pute, each term should be multiplied by the other term, right? So 5 should be multiplied by x as well as 5 should be multiplied by y. So the answer is 5x plus 5y. Okay. X plus y is multiplied by 5 means each and every term is multiplied by 5. Okay.
5x y also no? 5x
5.
plus 5.
Sorry,
X
darling.
plus 5. Can write 5x plus y also no?
5x plus y like this.
Yes. No.
No.
Eh, no.
This is multiplication of both, darling.
Miss, no. With 5xy.
Plus 5, right? So here we have 5 times. We are going to multiply both x plus y. Not only x. Here you have a bracket, no, darling? This whole algebraic expression is going to be multiplied by x. This is addition. This is addition, not multiplication. It's multiplication, your answer is correct. Okay. So this is addition. So here you have to multiply every number. 5x plus 5y. It was like this. If it was like this, then your answer is correct. Okay, Martha?
Okay, miss.
Right. So, try to find the answer. Right. Find the answers for these three. Okay, finish. Right. So what is the answer to third one? 9 times 9 times 2 is 18 plus 9 times y is 9 5. Okay. Right. Now what happened when you multiply this one? 2a plus 3 plus 2. This one. So 4x plus 4 times 2y is how much? Yes, answer me.
8y.
8y plus 4 is nothing, no. Okay, have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Right, okay, then multiplying an algebraic expression. So before we write that, we'll write a small point. Write a star, put a star mark and write. When multiplying an algebraic expression, by a number, each term in the algebraic expression is multiplied by that number. Okay, write the point. Okay, and we move on.
Okay, teacher.
Right, then write the topic multiplying an algebraic expression by a negative number. Write that subtopic multiplying an algebraic expression by a negative number. Okay, right now look at here. Minus 4 times a. A is multiplied by a negative number. So answer is what? Minus 4a. Right? So if we have minus 2 times y plus x, how do we multiply this one? The same procedure, you need to multiply e by the negative number. So now we'll multiply. Negative 2 times y is how much? Negative 2 times y is?
Y.
Negative 2y. Then what do I have? Negative 2 times x. Negative 2 times x.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2. Okay. Right. So if I give you like this, right, find the answers for these three. Hey, what's the problem? Akil, what is the problem?
Screen is a bit blurred.
Huh? Really?
It's a bit blurred, not fully blurred. Now it's clear, teacher.
All right. Yes. Shall we find the answers? So this one, what is the answer? Negative 3 is going to multiply it by all the terms. So what will be the answer? Yes?
Negative 3a.
Hmm?
3c. Negative 3b.
Minus or negative 3b. Yes,
Negative
or negative
3.
3c. This one. Negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. Negative 5 times 4x. Negative 20x. Negative 5, 5. Right. What about this? Last one. Did you do?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What is the answer?
Negative 4x minus 3, I guess. Yeah.
You have to multiply.
Negative 12 minus negative 12.
Sorry.
It's negative 12. Negative 4x minus negative 12.
Okay, okay, correct. But there is another step. So negative 4x minus negative 12. Correct. But there is another step. Negative 4x. Negative into negative is how much? Positive 12. Okay. Negative into negative is positive. Okay. Shall we move on to the next part?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Teacher.
Hansa, okay? Hansa?
Yes, miss.
Right. Okay. Now we are going to multiply an algebraic term by another algebraic term. And now we multiply it by a positive number, then a negative number. Now algebraic term by another term. Another algebraic term. Right. Look at here. 2a times 3b. 2a times 3b is what? 2a is what? 2 times a. 3b is 3 times b. I can take the like terms together. I mean the numerical parts together. 2 times 3 times a times b. 2 times 3 is 6 times AB is AB, 6AB. So 2AB, 2A times 3 right as 6AB. Now these steps are not necessary. For your reference, I just wrote. If you can directly get the answer, okay. Okay, right? Then your chance. Right, correct. Can you multiply this? You can directly multiply. Now these two steps are not necessary. 2 times into 3b, that is 6ab. Like that, if you can directly take it, directly take it. If not, multiply 1 by 1. Okay, babies, have you finished? Time I'm going to remove the option unmute button. Finish. Akil and Hansa.
Finish, miss.
Okay, so we'll say what are the answers. 4x times 3y is how much?
12xy.
Good. X times minus 4y.
Minus 4xy.
Very good. Oh, minus 5x also no. Minus 4 times 5x is also correct. No problem. What about this?
Minus 6ab.
Okay. Any other answers?
Plus 6ab.
Okay. Any other answers? Answer. I'm asking for your answer.
Plus 6ab.
Right. What happened is negative into negative is plus. Right. So 6ab plus negative 2 into negative 3. Okay. This one. 8x 3y minus 2 is said. How much?
Negative 48xyz.
Very good. Negative 48 xy is it. Okay. So multiplying an algebraic term by another algebraic is also okay. Then now we are going to multiply algebraic expression by an algebraic term. At the topic, multiplying an algebraic expression by an algebraic term. By another algebra. So how do we do this one? Here the algebraic expression is here. The algebraic term is here. We are going to multiply the same way like a positive. Multiplied by positive. The same way. You have to multiply each number by the number which we use to multiply. B times x is bx plus b times y is by. The same procedure, only there is no numerical value, there is an algebraic term. Any doubts? Right. Then multiply. Right. Find the answers. Have you finished? Shall we find the answer? Okay. Stella, have you finished with it?
Yes, teacher.
Ayyo, so speak, will you? Why are you silent? Right. So what is the answer for this one? Answer? So how do? You have to multiply each term. You have to multiply each term. So we'll multiply and see. 3x times 4 is how much?
6xy.
Okay. 3x times 4 is 12x plus 3x times 3y is how much? 9x y. Okay. Correct, right? Next one. You have to multiply.
The answer is, I think, minus 8 plus 6x.
Can you repeat it again, darling? I couldn't hear it properly.
Minus xy plus 6yx.
Minus 8y plus
Plus 6yx.
6yx or 6xy, no problem. Right? This one. 5a times 2a. 5a times 2a is
10a.
10a. A times a is how much? A times a is a squared. Right? A to the power 2. 10a to the power 2. Right? Here you have 5a times 2a. 5a times 2a. 5 times 2 is 10. A times a. So here you have 10a squared. Okay? Right? Plus 5a times 3b. 15a. Okay? Right. Last one. Last one.
Y plus y3.
Y is how much? Y is how much?
Y
Ah,
power of 2.
very good. Y to the power 2 or y squared plus 3y. Okay? So mark your answers. Done. Right, shall we move on to the next part? Now, multiplication is all over. Multiplication is all over. Now, we are going to do addition. Then next, subtraction. Do you have any doubt regarding multiplication of algebraic expressions?
No.
No, but I didn't get the answers from you all. I'm not happy. So here, you have to just multiply the number. That's it. You have to be careful whether it's positive or negative. That's it. Rather than that, just multiply the number. When you have brackets like this, what happens? You have to multiply each number by the number. Okay? Right. Then be concerned about the sign also, negative and positive. It's simple. Nothing is there. multiplication, you need to find the value even. You can just get 5 times a is 5a. So if we have 5 times 2, you have to multiply n right now. So algebraic terms is very easy. Right, so we'll move on. Shall I erase? Okay, right. Then write sum of two algebraic expressions. Now we did multiplication. Now we are going to do addition. Sum of two algebraic expressions. Right. Before we study about sum or the addition, darling, we know about like terms and unlike terms. What are the two terms? Like terms and unlike terms, right? What are like terms and what are unlike terms? What are like terms and unlike terms?
Like terms are with the same alphabet letter.
Ah,
This
right. Very
this
good.
terms with the same unknown.
Very good. Different definition but the same idea. Very good. Like terms are the terms which have the same unknown term or the same algebraic term or the same English alphabet letter. If we take 3x, 4x, 9y, 5y, 18a, 23a. Right? So these are like terms. Same algebraic term. It's same unknown term. We call it as like term. Unlike terms are what? 3x, 4y. These are not same. Those are called unlike terms. Or if we have 3x, 2xy. What can you say about this? Xx is there. But y not in the first term. So they are also unlike terms. 9a squared, 2ab. This is also unlike. Why? Here a squared. Here only a and b. So quickly have this before we finding the sum of two algebraic expressions. So when you are doing addition and subtraction, it is very important. You can add or subtract only the like terms. You can't add or subtract unlike terms. Only the like terms will be added or subtracted. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Write down this. Okay. Right? That shall I erase?
Okay, teacher.
Right. Well, why are you silent today? Okay, so we'll see sum of two algebraic expressions. Right, we have 2a plus 3 plus a 4 plus O plus B. Right? Now put there, before we add, first of all we multiply. Before we add, first of all we'll multiply. Right? We'll simplify this one. How do you simplify? You have to remove the brackets. So how do we remove brackets? Now we learn we have to multiply each term. Right? 2 times A is how much? 2 times A, 2A plus 2 times 3B is how much? 6B plus A times 4,
So
4A plus A times B is AB. Now we are going to add. I told you we can only add the like terms. First of all, we'll take the like terms together. 2A, what are the like terms we have? 2A plus 4A plus 6B plus AB. Right. 2A plus 4A is equal to how much? 2A plus 4A. Adding 2A plus 4A, add the values. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6A. So this part will be equal to 6A. If the unknown term, if you have like terms, you can add it. Plus now here 6B, but here AB. 6B plus AB. This also can be added 6 plus A brackets B, but we'll keep it like this. Can understand? Any doubt? Right, we'll see the next one. What is that? What is that? Right. Shall we find this one together? Right. We'll see. X times X is how much? X times X.
X square.
Very good. Plus X times Y. XY plus Y times 2X. 2XY plus Y times Y is Y squared. Right. Now tell me what are the like terms? What are the like terms? This and this, right? XY and XY. Can you see? These two are only the like term. So we can have X squared plus XY plus 2XY is how much? XY plus 2XY. 3XY plus Y squared. Okay? Is it clear? Any doubts? Okay. Right. Then find the answers for this two. Copy down this one and find the answers for this one. Right. Find the answers for this one. Okay, done. Shall we see the answers?
The fourth one is a 3, 7. What is it, miss? The fourth
This one,
one.
5 x plus y plus z, 3x minus 4y plus 2z. And finish. What is the answer for third one? Yes, darling, I'm asking from you. Say it loud. Yes. Y times y.
Y squared.
Y squared. Y times minus.
Minus 10y
Hmm?
plus 6 plus 6.
Hmm? Right. Then take the like terms together. Plus 2y plus 6. This part is how much? We have like terms. This one, no? 10y plus minus 10y plus 2y is how much? Minus 10y plus 2y. Now forget about the y. Minus 10 plus 2. Directed numbers. Minus 10 plus 2. Minus 8. Y squared minus 8y. Yeah. Okay. Right. Last one. Yes. Stella. Akil. Akila.
8x plus 1y plus 7z.
Right. We'll see. 5x plus 5y plus 5z plus 3x minus 4y plus 2z. Right? So we'll take the like terms, x terms together, y terms together, and z terms together. Right. So 5x plus 3y plus 5y minus 4y plus 5z plus 2z. 5x plus 3x is how much? 8x plus 5 plus 7z. Okay. Okay. Correct? Excellent. Okay, darling.
Okay, this.
Right. Then shall we move on to subtraction? Shall we move on to subtraction?
Okay, miss.
Then simplifying, I'll erase this. Write the topic. Simplifying the difference of two algebraic expressions. Okay, right? Shall we simplify?
Okay, this.
Right. So Pute, now this one is just an expression. No need to multiply it, right? So if there was a term, you have to multiply and write. But here, no. So we can write 3a plus 7. What about this one? Minus this term, no. So first of all, you have to multiply all the terms by minus, right? So when you remove this bracket, what do you will have? Minus 2a minus 4. Is it clear what happened? You are going to subtract each term. You have to subtract minus 2a from this and 4 also from this one. So when you open bracket, minus 2a minus 4. Okay. Right. Now we'll simplify. How do we simplify? The same procedure. We take the like terms together. So what do you have? 3a minus 2a plus 7 minus 4. 2a minus 3a minus 2a. How much? 3a minus 2a is how much? 3a minus 2a is a plus 7 minus 4 plus 3 plus 7 minus 4 plus 3. These two together and these two together. Like terms together. Right, find this one. Right, find the answers for this two. Shall we find the answers? Okay, so what is the answer for second one?
X plus minus 4.
Minus 3x minus 7. Right. X plus plus
X plus 3 minus 3x minus 7. 7 after 4x plus 3x plus 3 minus 7.
okay. Right. So up to here is it clear? 4x plus 3 minus 3x minus 7. When we take the like terms together, 4x minus 3x.
Teacher,
Yes, Nali?
uh, in why is it been 4x plus 3 minus 3x? Why is there a plus 7 been minus here?
Here you're asking plus 7 and here minus 7.
Yes.
Right. Darling, here the minus sign is there. After the minus sign, I have opened a bracket. Right? So this both the terms should be subtracted from this one. 3x also minus this one. 7 also should be minus from this one. Right? Not only 3x. So first of all, you have to remove the bracket. To remove the bracket, you have to multiply each term by this minus sign. Each term by minus sign. So minus times 3x is minus 3x. Minus times plus 7 is how much?
Minus 7.
That's what we got, minus 7. So here after the minus sign, you have a bracket. If you have a bracket, you have to multiply all the terms by minus, right? If you don't have, if I didn't write like this, if I didn't write the bracket, then you can write minus 3x plus 7. Okay. But here I have already opened a bracket. So you have to multiply each term. Okay, Akil?
Thank you, teacher.
Right. Then what is the answer here? X minus 4. Okay. Right, last one. Now, first of all, you have to open the brackets. You need to open the brackets here. A times 4a is 4a squared. A times 2 is plus 2a. Then you have minus sign. Minus a times 5. Minus 5a. Minus a times plus a. Minus a squared. Okay. Now we'll take the like terms together. 4a squared minus a squared plus 2a minus 5a. 4a squared minus a squared is 3a squared minus 3. Okay, now this one can be simplified further but doesn't. Okay, this can be simplified further. I don't need keep it like this, no factorization. Okay, any doubts? Shall we move to the next part? Next part is very easy. Substitute. Shall we?
Okay.
Okay. Right. Substituting given values for unknown in an algebraic expression up to 3 unknowns, right? Topic is too big, so we'll make it short. Substituting given values for each unknown in algebraic expression. Write the topic. Substituting given values for E it's unknown in an algebraic expression. Okay, right. Shall we find this one? This is very simple, very easy, right? So here they have given the expression 3x plus 2y minus z is the expression. We have the unknown terms x, y, z, and they ask us to find the value by substituting the values given. X is how much? They have given x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to 5. Right? So we need to substitute. Very simple. X is how much? 2. 2. Plus 2 times y is how much? 3 minus z is 5. So 3 times 2 6 plus again 2 times 3 6 minus 5. 6 plus 6 5. So 6 plus 6 12. 12 minus 5 7. So the answer is 7. Okay, very simple, right? Then find this one. Oh, oh, oh. Right. Shall we find this one? Now look at here. Very simple. A is how much? A is 3 minus 2 times B is minus 4 plus C is how much? Minus 8. Right? Now we'll find 3 here. Minus 2 times minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 4. How much? Minus 2 times minus 4.
Positive 8.
Positive 8. Very good. Then here what do you have? Plus minus 8. Plus minus 8. Plus minus 8. So positive into negative is how much?
Negative.
Ah,
Negative 8.
negative 8. Right. So 3 plus 8 is now. No need to add 3 plus 8. This will be cancelled with this one. So you will have the answer 3. Okay. Right. Copy down this one. So many exercises are there. Only the question number 1 I'm giving. 5.7 also there. I have only few sums inside one question. 5.8 also question. Okay. Note down the homeworks. Have you finished note downing the homeworks?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Answer? Akila. Right, okay. So algebraic expression is not hard. It's just multiplying, addition, subtraction. Multiplying, when you're multiplying, take the sign and just multiply the numbers which you have, right? You have brackets, you have to multiply each number by the number given. Addition and subtraction, what is the important thing you have to check? Check the like terms and unlike terms. Like terms can be added and subtract. Unlike terms cannot. Then finally we take substituting value. Then the expression is given and the values are given. You just need to substitute the values for the expression and find the answer. Very simple. Any doubts? No. Right, so do the homework. You can see there is a lot, but not. Side one, I just gave only the one question. One question from each exercise. And also there are only few sums, only 5 sums. Side one question, very simple, just multiply times 5a, 5a squared, like that. Simple questions are there in 5 exercises, right? Okay, so do all the exercises and we follow in the class. So until that, stay safe and bye.
Fine. Thank you.